Hi guys, PPS Financial Planning here. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your income protection tax relief for this year and for the last 4 years. It really is simple to set up and should only take you a couple of minutes. First thing you're going to do is log into your Revenue account on Revenue.ie. Make sure you're logging in via My Account and not ROS, R-O-S. If you've never logged in before, make sure to check out a previous video on how to get this set up. Once you are logged in, it's going to bring you to your homepage. This is your dashboard where you'll carry out all of your tax back activities. So here we're going to click on Manage Your Tax 2022. Once in here, you're going to click on the blue button that says Add New Credits. In here, you're going to see options for health, your job, and you and your family. You're going to click on the drop down next to health. 6 options are going to appear and you're going to click on Select next to Income Continuance. This is another name for income protection. Then down at the bottom, press on Next. 3 boxes are going to appear. The first box you're going to enter is your insurer name. The second box you're going to put in the amount you're going to pay over the year. And the third box automatically populates. So in this example I used 557.15. This is approximately €46 a month for your income protection. 2 pop-ups will appear, so you're going to click on Yes for both of them. You will then be brought to the summary page and declaration for what you are claiming. All you need to do is scroll to the bottom and click on the box to tick it and then sign and submit. You will need to log in again and you're done. So in order to claim your tax relief, if you've never done this before, you can do this for the last 4 years. You're going to go back to your dashboard and click on Review Your Tax 2018 to 2021. It will automatically open to the last year, and this is 2021 in this case. And over on the right hand side you're going to see options to amend, or perhaps you'll see edit, or you might see an option to request. So what you're going to do is select the year, any year you want to do, and then you're going to click on amend, edit or request. Amend will normally appear if you've done the income tax return before. Don't forget you can go back and edit the last 4 years if you forgot to claim your tax relief. Do not be put off when you see that you're completing an income tax return. Every employee in Ireland should be doing this every year regardless. You will see that there are 5 sections to the income tax return and you're going to fly through it in 5 minutes. Section 1 is your personal details, your income. Then in section 2, section 3 is if you have additional income, and section 4 tax credits and reliefs. This is what we're going to focus on. Under the title Health, you're going to click on Show More, and in here you're going to see 6 options. So we're going to click on Income Continuance. Again, this is another way to call income protection. You're going to need the name of your insurer and the amount you've paid over the year, and in this case it's over the year 2021. So I'm going to use the example of 557 rounded up. This works out at approximately €46 a month. Click Add, and this is going to bring you back to your section 4 of your income tax return. Scroll down to the end of this page and you're going to see a summary of all of your tax credits you've claimed. Income continuance should be included here. Click Confirm All and Next. Then in section 5, tick the box for your declaration and click on Next again. You will be asked to sign in again and you're done. Complete for all 4 years. If you get a notification like this, here's what you need to do. You need to go back to your dashboard and click on My Inquiries. Revenue just need to verify some of your information. So what you're going to do is click on My Inquiries, and then in this section you're going to click on Add New Inquiry. Under Inquiry Details you're going to pop in your query there and just say that you're trying to set up your income protection tax relief. Can you please assist? And then you're going to attach any documentation that you have in relation to your income protection. I would include direct debit documentation. Click on Submit Inquiry, and in a couple of days Revenue will get back to you with your tax relief all set up for 2022, and make sure that you claim any tax relief for prior years also.